An automatic door closing tower bolt allows a person to close and open the door automatically without banging. Using a remote control tower bolt to open or close doors at a time decreases the number of people that will come in contact with the common surface of the door handle. By clicking a key, doors are opened or closed, reducing the risk of contamination. Only few thing you need for automatic tower bolt are a simple tower bolt, motor, toy on-off sensor, battery cell, etc. Essentially, it's a mechanical device that will close a door automatically after someone has left open by providing better performance. Turn your home table into beautiful and unique for home decoration you may have in mind. You can make a deco-rateable table for your home by needing few items, i.e. are wood pieces, epoxy, resins, adhesives, colors and a grinder for polishing. Take the wood pieces in a proper die and pour adhesives with epoxy resins and colors. When it dry up, so polish and keep it as a dining table.